Hey everybody, back out at the job site. We got the foundation all filled up. We got the vapor barrier and there's gesso underneath the grapple like that. So we're gonna put a vapor barrier over the top of this just to keep the, see there's the gesso, just to keep the alkalinity of the gesso from bleeding up and spreading cancer to the concrete. And this is the bathroom right here. There's a more small bedroom right here. And there's a bathroom, and then there's a bigger second master right there. Or should I say mother-in-law apartment. She's sweet and helps a lot with everything. And then we were just laying out the, we were gonna have a sliding glass door here up in the front, but my wife changed it to double wide swinging, like mahogany doors, or I'm not sure if it'll be mahogany, but probably. And then there'll be some windows on either side. The patio in the front. There's the vapor barrier gonna go down.
We're out of plastic.
You can actually, now vapor barrier, I've had people comment that it's hard to find. We went to Cebu Home and Hardware in Cebu, and they had it. It wasn't that expensive, and it's really thick. I can't remember the thickness of it, but
1,000 mils,
1,000 what?
Mils.
Mils, 1,000 mils. So it's nice and thick. And then now we've been to a couple other homes that didn't have vapor barrier, and after a couple years they've got cancer in the concrete, and then you have the paint and minerals coming up through the concrete, and it'll be bubbling and break through the paint. You know, I've seen really expensive homes like 30 million pesos, and they've got it. And it's just a little extra protection. And also, if you got that, then you got the rebar inside the columns and the walls are expanding rust. So you want to make sure to do what you can to prevent it. It's better. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, I guess. Or whatever that saying is. And then also, we're mostly using the 4-inch monoblock, but they had a suggestion that because we don't have a column in the front here, it's wide open because we were gonna have a big sliding door there, that we're gonna use the 5-inch hollow concrete form blocks, monoblock, and we're gonna put extra strong rebar in there, so it'll be just like a column. We're gonna put 16 mm in there in the middle on either side of the door, so that's really gonna support the top. So and then you know, we have columns on either side of the patio. Now we don't have to do rendering on the columns, because the monoblock is smooth. So I think we'll put a finishing coat on the concrete form blocks, you know. A lot of times when you're using the hollow block, it'll take a month and a half, or 2 months just to do the rendering on the house. And you'll have a lot of workers just rendering and using a lot of cement and sand and screening it to make it fine. And that's where we're gonna, it costs a little bit more for the concrete form blocks, but the strength and the time saved in the construction is just, to me, it's more than worth it. So, okay, everybody, got any questions? Let me know. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.